Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use and switching on or off the windscreen wipers of your Mercedes-Benz C180. The windscreen wipers lever is detected on the left side of your steering wheel. There it is. This is a multi-function lever with so many other options in there, like turn light and light on and traffic light on switch system, but we will focus us on switching the windscreen wipers on or off and the combinations. Okay, let's start. The combination switch first is the pressing on top of it. On the you press from the left side on the button on top. This is for single wipe. Okay, if you press it in, this is for a one single wipe, as you can see, and there it is. It's going down. Now, if you wipe the windscreen using wash fluid, too. No? If you press, it's a single wipe, and if you press and hold, it's to wipe the windscreen using washer fluid. And then there is a turn key. If you turn to setting 1, this is 0. Windscreen wipers are off. If you're switching to position 2, this is an icon with the 3 dots on top of it. It is intermittent wipe, low. Rain sensor set to low sensitivity. That means there's a lot of rain necessary to activate this intermittent wipe. Now switch to position 3. This is with 4 dots. It's intermittent wipe high. That means the rain sensor set to a high sensitivity. That means only a little bit of water on top of your wipe screen glass is necessary to activate it. Now let's switch to number 4. This is a line. Only a line is continuously wiped, slow. And if you switch to position 5, there are 2 lines, and this means continuous wipe fast. So these are so many options by using your windshield or windscreen wipers of switching on or off, as you can see, and it is an automatically interval sensor. This is built inside your car to have a look about the rain on top of your glass. Easy going, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.